Now we will discuss about 32nd question that has been asked in the 2017 prelims exam is biological oxygen demand is a standard criteria for which of the following? 4 options are given. First is measuring the oxygen level in the blood. Second, computing oxygen levels in the forest ecosystem. Third, pollution assay in aquatic ecosystem. Fourth is assessing the oxygen level in the high altitude regions. Already in our Environment and Ecology online V-lecture, we have provided and compared biological oxygen demand with chemical oxygen demand. Answer for this question is choice C, pollution assay in the aquatic ecosystems. We all know in the water body many organic materials are getting deposited. Organic materials are decomposed by aerobic bacteria. So aerobic organisms are decomposing the organic materials deposited in the aquatic ecosystem. To break down the organic material, aerobic bacteria needs oxygen. But the aerobic bacteria will not take oxygen from the atmosphere. So the bacteria needs dissolved oxygen that is present in the water. So the bacteria takes the dissolved oxygen to break down the organic material present in the water bodies. If more amount of organic material is there in the water bodies means more amount of dissolved oxygen will be required to decompose the organic material. So more organic material deposition is there in the water bodies means biological or biochemical oxygen demand will be high, amount of dissolved oxygen will be less. So biological oxygen demand is an indicator of the effectiveness of the wastewater treatment plants. Along with the biological oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand method also used to measure the amount of organic compounds in water. But when compared to biological oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand method is less specific. So answer is choice C for this question.